Hi, it's Lisa, Passionfruit Arts, and it's fall and we're cooking up all things pumpkin and pumpkin spice. So I thought we'd just talk a little bit about the fall season and what foods are in season and how they help contribute to a healthy diet. So I know there's so much confusion around the optimal diet, and as a nutritionist, one thing I've learned over the years is there is no one optimal diet, but every culture throughout the world has a seasonal diet which promotes health within the region, because whatever foods are available during each season tend to nourish you and give you exactly what you need for that particular region and season. So I live in North America and it is fall here and we love everything pumpkin spice. So pumpkins are a winter squash. They're actually a fruit, and they come in like over 45 different varieties. So here in the US, in the modern day, we carve these big pumpkins and make jack-o'-lanterns out of them. They are edible, you can eat them, and they're just not the sweetest pumpkin because they're bigger and therefore a little starchier. So in the recipes that call for pureed pumpkin, it's typically made with what's called a sugar pumpkin, which is smaller and a little denser in the flesh, so it is sweeter, and it's also called a pie pumpkin. So many of you have expressed interest in pumpkin puree, and you can't always find it in the store. So if you go into the baking section of a typical grocery store, you'll find pumpkin pie mix, which is pureed pumpkin with pumpkin pie spice and a lot of added sugar, sometimes even added oils. So I have a really simple, easy recipe to show you how to puree your own pumpkin, and you can use this with a variety of winter squashes and different varieties of pumpkins. And it's very simple, so you just need to roast it and mix it up, and you can store it, keep it on hand for all of these wonderful fall recipes. It's gonna fit just right. No, it's not gonna fit. I'll just go like that then. Add a little bit of water in the blender, and the food processor just really blends it up nice into a really soft puree. So that's why I choose to use the food processor for this. Doesn't work as well. I learn as I go.